We are going to make a breakfast sausage bake thing that Victoria seen and wanted to try. So, wish us luck. Let's get started. Okay, so I have a helper in the kitchen. Logan's helping me so I can do the camera. We are doing the Jimmy Dean sausage. There's one roll, you've seen that. And we are just browning it. That's the first step. Step 1, brown your breakfast sausage. See when it's done.
I'll be going in the other room.
Okay, so here is the ground pork. We didn't cook it all the way through because it is going in the oven. Logan and Victoria did that. So now we need to grease a pan. Okay. Victoria is spraying a 9x13 cookie sheet. We're going to do cookie sheet. I don't think it's going to be that big. So we'll see how it comes out. Oh, so we have to roll our dough into this.
Yeah.
That's the next step. So, just spread it out like so. It's one long sheet. You want to mix the sausage with cream cheese, which my sprayer, she works for free, so I can't fire her. Okay, so now I'm going to mix my sausage with my cream cheese. Okay, so I put it in the microwave for 20 seconds because I was just having a hard time, and it's sitting on top of the burner that was on for the sausage. So now we are going to transfer from here to there, and we're going to spread it out nice. Let's get started.
So now we're adding the cream cheese and breakfast sausage mixture onto the dough that we rolled down on the 9x13 pan that we greased. Oh, it smells good.
Okay, so now you top it with cheese to make it extra cheesy. Do a nice sized layer of cheese right on top. Yum, yum, yum.
Ooh.
Logan said it's smelling good. So hopefully it tastes as good as it smells. And by the way, we did wash our hands right before.
Always make sure you wash your hands before you cook.
I'm going to use up the rest of this just because I want to.
Yeah. And it's like a half full bag or whatever.
Quarter.
Alright.
So now we're going to add this dough sheet on top. Okay, so we added the dough on top. It's just sitting on top there. Now we're just going to spread butter over the top. I'm just going to put, here, let me turn it around. I'm just going to put a bunch on top and then use the spatula to kind of spread it on. We're just going to put it all right there.
Yeah.
And then we'll just spread it nice. So what this does is you can use an egg wash, but I was hoping it would give it a nice buttery flavor. So, and I feel like butter and breakfast go together. And it helps your everything bagel seasoning stick. I did not use a whole stick of butter. I used like maybe half, more than a quarter, but less than a half. Whatever was on that, whatever we had left. Part of the one that I showed you. Okay. I'm only going to do this seasoning on half because not everybody likes it.
I love it, so I'll eat the half with the seasoning.
Oh.
Look at that.
Oh, there's a butter pool. That's going to be delicious. I can see it already. I'm going to give you a little extra because people who do like it really like it.
Yeah, that's me.
So that's what it looks like, half and half. Half with seasoning, half without. Okay, so we're preheating the oven to 375 because I forgot.
That's quick.
And then we're going to cook it for 10 to 13 minutes, what it says on the biscuit can, the dough can, because really that's all you have to cook is the dough. You don't have to cook the rest because it's already cooked. This is after 13 minutes. I'm going to say it's not done. So we're just going to poke some holes in it and then put it in for another few minutes. Okay, here it is done. Look how delicious it is. So we added an additional 6 minutes.
Yep.
And look how good that looks. Ooh, I can't wait to cut into that. Look at that. So cheesy and delicious. You guys, oh my gosh. I hope the bottom's cooked. But man, does that look good, doesn't it? There is dinner tonight. Yum. What do you think?
I think it's going to be good.
Alright, we'll find out. Okay, the tip portion. I didn't do a good job mixing the cream cheese, and my suggestion would be use the spread or get your cream cheese out earlier and let it get room temperature. Also, the bagel, everything but the bagel seasoning, everybody liked it, and they all agreed that it would just be better if you put it on the whole thing. It really adds the flavor. They really enjoyed it, except for the only critique they had was I didn't do a good job mixing the cream cheese, which is why I said to use the spread. I would definitely use the spread. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It helps my channel grow and gets it out to more people. Thank you. Bye.